Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preferences of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.